we finally get to find out all about axolotls with Christian. The first thing I notice is like the little frilly bits at its neck. What's that?
They're gills to help them breathe underwater, because even though they're amphibians, they have to live their entire life in water.
Am I able to touch one of the axolotls?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can only touch like their side though.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh, they're really soft. Oh,
I'm gonna have a go.
I didn't expect it to be that soft.
Right, I'm gonna
like-
go in.
It's like soft and slimy.
I expect it to be like a snake.
I know, it's not what you think, is it?
No.
How do you care for them? What do you feed them?
For adults like these ones, we give them usually carnivore pellets and bloodworms, but if they're lucky, they get earthworms.
What happened to Alphabear's tail? It looks like it was cut off and it started growing again.
Oh, yeah. Axolotls can also regenerate their tails.
What?
And also their legs, heart, and parts of their brain.
I mean, I've so many questions. Where do axolotls come from, for starters?
Axolotls exist in the wild in only one place, these lakes and canals just outside Mexico City. They're amphibians, but unlike frogs and newts, they don't go through metamorphosis. Axolotls keep their baby form for their whole lives, which is usually between 5 and 15 years. Axolotls shot to fame when they appeared in Pokemon and Minecraft, but also because they're so flippin' weird and cute. It's not all good news for the axolotls. Their numbers are dropping in the wild because their home is being polluted by human activities. So it's good to see kids like Christian are giving this axolotl family a safe home.